Well, hello my beauties. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another Get Ready With Me video. So if you would like to see how I got this look here, please continue watching. So now you guys, I'm here with this Afro Puff by Diffuni. If I'm not mistaken, I might be pronouncing that incorrectly. So here I'm sharing with you guys on this synthetic ponytail, but guys, you couldn't really tell if it's synthetic or not. It feels so real, and it's kinky curly. And so guys, if you like to see how I place this on my head and what it looks like, just keep on watching. So here it has two combs. It has a comb in the back and in the front. And you also get the drawstring on the side. If any of you guys are familiar with drawstring ponytail, this is what this is. So what I'm doing now is just placing that comb in the back, securing it in the back, and securing the front comb in the front of that pony, of my ponytail. Just making sure it's in there good. And I'm going to take the drawstring and just tighten the ponytail up on my ponytail. And be careful, you guys. If you get one, don't pull too hard, because you can break it. Guys, I ordered this ponytail off of Amazon. It was $11.99, I think, but I have all information down below, so you guys can go ahead and check it out, and they might be interested in getting one. So yeah, it's a very good protective style. Just make sure when you're applying it, you're not damaging your hair, and just kind of having it where it's not too tight, especially your own hair. So what I'm doing, I'm just picking around and pulling out some of the curls, just kind of making it a little bit messy. I don't want it just too perfect, you know. I just want it where I have that messy look, and I'm just playing with it just to see how I want my style to look. Just do it till you get it to your liking. So that's what I'm doing. So yeah. Guys, his hair is so soft. In order for it to be a synthetic ponytail, it feels like real hair. So this here is what it looks like in the back. So yeah, guys, so I'm going to finish up the rest of my makeup. So you guys continue watching.